American Standard thermostats, especially smart models like the AccuLink Platinum series, can become unresponsive due to several reasons. The most common causes are connectivity glitches with your Wi Fi router, firmware bugs, or power supply issues. A quick first step is to check the thermostat's power source. Replace batteries if it's battery powered, or check the wiring if it's hardwired. Next, try a simple reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. For Wi Fi models, ensure your router is compatible and the signal is strong. Software glitches can often be solved by updating to the latest firmware via the My American Standard app. This alone resolves a large percentage of issues, especially responsiveness lags in older models. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, wiring problems might be the culprit. A corroded or improperly installed C-wire is a frequent cause of unresponsiveness in wired systems. If you are comfortable, inspect the wiring for any signs of damage. For ongoing prevention, keep your thermostat's firmware updated, as updates often address responsiveness lags. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is stable and secure to prevent connectivity disruptions. Regularly check the thermostat's performance and address any anomalies promptly. Also, consider preventive maintenance, which HVAC experts emphasize. Regularly updating firmware can prevent 70% of responsiveness issues.